Hi everyone, this is Phil Vaca from Enterprise DB. Thank you for joining me for this presentation on production-ready containers, building Postgres Plus Advanced Server on Docker. In this presentation, which will be the first in a series, we'll be talking about how you can use Docker to get started with Postgres Plus. We'll explain a little bit about what this containerization technology does, and you'll see just how quickly you can get started running a Postgres server. If you're not familiar with containers, you may be curious to know why people are so excited about it in the IT world. Well, containers offer a number of benefits, both for managing deployments and software packaging, and also for operating a data center at production scale. Containers allow you to isolate both a process and a runtime environment in a way that previously was not securely possible. Getting started with Docker is really quite simple. The first thing you have to do is make sure you have the command line tools installed. Docker command line tools are available for most operating systems. All Mac, Windows, and Linux distributions should have no problem running Docker. At EDB, we've already created a series of images that you can use. There are a few images listed here, and we'll talk about many of these in future installments. But Postgres Plus Server runs in the first image, PPAS, current version 9.4. Let's look at the parts of the run command. The first switch we add is -d, saying that we're going to run a server in the background, or in detached mode. We give the image a name, and we have to publish or expose the ports that the image itself will use. Port 5432 is a standard port for Postgres, and that's what we use as well in our image. Additionally, in order to start this Postgres Plus server, we need to provide a password for the administrative user. It's named Enterprise DB. And since we're running this as a single server in an isolated mode with no Postgres Enterprise Manager available, we specify a flag, no PEM. Finally, we simply add the image name and version, and the service is running in seconds. In order to demonstrate our Postgres Plus Advanced Server installation, I'm going to show a feature that's available in PPAS but not in the Community Edition. This feature is the rollup syntax. Rollup is an analytic function that sums grouped data. Now, because I'm running this on my Mac, in order to emulate the Linux kernel, there is a Docker virtual machine, and that's what's actually exposing 5432 when we use the -p flag. If I connect to Postgres Plus on that port, I can create some tables and insert the data. And then select that data, grouping with rollup. Here we can clearly see our data has been both summed and rolled up. There's a lot to learn about Docker, and a lot of interesting things you can do with containers. In future presentations, I'll show you how you can take this simple container paradigm and scale it upwards to production. Before you know it, you too can be running a fully containerized, production-ready solution with Postgres Plus Advanced Server. Thank you.